Troubleshooting Spectrum on Demand issues, immediate fixes. Experiencing problems with Spectrum on Demand? You're not alone. Many users face streaming errors and buffering, especially during peak hours. The primary reasons include high server loads, regional outages, and app incompatibilities. Let's address immediate solutions. First, perform a device restart. Power cycle your router, modem, and streaming device. This clears temporary glitches. Optimize your network by using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, or try resetting your DNS settings to Google's 8.88.8. Next, ensure your Spectrum app is updated to the latest version, 25.3 plus, and clear its cache and storage. Finally, sign out and back into your account to resolve authentication errors. These steps resolve about 70% of common issues. If problems persist, move on to advanced troubleshooting. If basic fixes don't work, run a speed test using Spectrum's tool to check for bandwidth issues. Aim for at least 25 MB/s. Contact Spectrum support for modem replacement if speeds are consistently low. Be aware of peak time vulnerabilities, like during NFL games, which can cause server overloads. As for future trends, Spectrum is integrating AI into its app for predictive buffering prevention, which showed a 15% error reduction in beta. 5G integration and partnerships with content providers for dedicated servers are planned for 2026-2027. However, consider alternative streaming options like Pluto TV or YouTube TV if reliability remains a concern. Remember, persistent issues may require broader ISP responses, and user advocacy can drive infrastructure improvements in underserved areas.